My brother's widow hasn't worked in over a year, so I stopped giving her money. Now she's suing me. 1 year ago, tragedy struck as my cousin passed away. The one who took it the hardest was my cousin's wife, Monica. She was left with 4 kids. When my wife visited, we discovered that the house was dirty and the kids were starving. We brought her and the kids over to our house and fed them. My cousin's family was living in my house, and they would pay me rent. I stopped charging rent to Monica. I even gave her a monthly allowance. However, from then on, a saga of me and my wife taking care of her started. My wife had to wake up early in the morning to prepare everyone's meals. I served as a shoulder to cry on for Monica. She also refused to look for a job or help with chores. For a effing year, she did not do any cooking or cleaning. Last month, I finally decided that enough was enough. I told her that I would pay for her therapy and help her find a job. She started crying and saying that she couldn't do anything. I said that I couldn't afford to give her allowances anymore. She called me a stuck-up jerk and ran out crying. A whole week passed without us talking. I was really worried, and then I received a letter in the mail. It was from a lawyer claiming that Monica was suing me. She was claiming that I had emotionally abused her.